Hello everyone. Today we are going to cook beautiful, yummy, tasty chasakdar, masakdar brinjal fry, a specially unique fry from India. Let's start. We have got the slice of the brinjal and we added some turmeric and we added some salt. So we will add some cumin. We are going to add some chili powder. This is a Kashmiri lal. This is just to make its color and little bit spice to it. Then we are going to mix some fine gram flour. It will help to bind it properly. We are going to add some corn flour powder. Then we will add some secret masala. I'll tell you at the end of this video the secret masala name. So this will exactly bring the beautiful taste in it. We can add some slight olive oil or sunflower oil, anything you are. Now we are going to mix it well. So it will be a nice coat, you can see. So when we fry it will be taste crispy. Now you can see nicely it mixed well and it's ready to fry. Now we will leave this marinated brinjal for minimum 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes we will start frying. Now you can see it's almost 30 minutes. So it's ready to fry. In a pan we will pour some oil. Then one by one we will put our marinated brinjal. You can write in the comment box from which country you are watching our video. So in India, we cook one of this process. Half I have fried and half is remaining here. In the next half I will fry. Even you want, you can bake it. If you want to eat less oil, then you can bake it in oven. After 2-3 minutes we can turn it the other way and make sure to make the medium flame, otherwise it will get burned. So we will change upside down, let it cook nicely. Really super. That secret masala is that 65 masala. You can pour that masala in any vegetable or chicken, fish, anything you like. So that 65 masala will give you a fantastic taste. So after some time you can check whether it's boiled properly. You can put a spoon or a fork to check. Yes, you can see it's going inside. That means it has been cooked properly. Then we can remove it in a plate. So here our brinjal, tasty brinjal is ready. You can see it's almost ready. Remove it. Now you can see our brinjal fry is ready. So this is a beautiful recipe. Even you can try in your home, and you can write how is the taste. You can hear the sound also. It's so crispy. Taste wise, it is amazing. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.